If you are looking for transcription jobs, here's a breakdown of the 4 types of transcription jobs that are currently hiring, along with their typical payment rates for beginners and advanced transcriptionists. 1. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is a popular platform for transcription jobs. They are currently looking for freelancers and transcriptionists. They typically offer short audio files for transcription and use a crowdsourcing model, where multiple transcribers work on small sections of audio. TranscribeMe pays around $15 to $22 per audio hour, which roughly translates to $5 to $9 per hour of actual work. Keep in mind that this rate can vary depending on factors such as difficulty level and the transcriber's skill level. Beginners might earn around $200 to $500 per month, depending on their speed and the number of available tasks. Advanced transcribers who are faster and more accurate can potentially earn $800 to $1,500 or more per month. Good thing I like about TranscribeMe is that you can work as a team and you will be paid about $60 to $70. All you need is to be over 18 years. TranscribeMe payment is processed every week, and they pay via PayPal. 2. Outsec. Outsec is a UK-based transcription company that offers transcription services across various industries, including legal, medical, and general transcription. Payment per hour is around 0.5 to 1.0 per audio minute, which equates to approximately 30 to 60 per audio hour. Beginners might earn around $300 to $600 per month. Advanced transcriptionists may earn $800 to $1,500 or more per month, depending on their speed and expertise. Outsec pays through UK Bank and also via PayPal. 3. Transcript. Transcript is another transcription service provider that offers transcription work to freelancers. They cover a wide range of transcription needs, including general, legal, medical, and academic transcription. Payment rates can vary, but it's common for transcript to pay around $0.4 to $1.0 per audio minute. Beginners might earn approximately $200 to $500 per month, and advanced transcriptionists could potentially earn $800 to $1,500 or more per month. 4. Scribie. Scribie is an online transcription company that offers audio transcription services. They primarily focus on short audio files and have a system where the transcriber earns points for completing tasks, which can then be converted into cash. Scribie pays around $5 to $25 per audio hour, depending on the difficulty level of the task. Beginners might earn around $100 to $300 per month. Advanced transcribers may earn $500 to $1,000 or more per month, depending on their efficiency and accuracy. Requirements: good English, ability to apply context and identify mistakes, ability to interpret conversations, and lastly, you should have a verified PayPal account and are good to go. If you're looking for a side hustle job, try Scribie. Please note that these payment rates are approximate and can vary based on various factors such as the transcription company's policies, the complexity of the audio files, the transcriber's speed and accuracy, and the prevailing market conditions. Additionally, transcriptionists may receive bonuses or incentives for high-quality work or meeting certain targets. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe.